So today, at the last day of the year, so this year we are on a mission to raise $25,000 to help the kids over at Children's Hospital. And today we just get a confirmation from the hospital that we are at $21,000. So we are short by $4,000. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so only for today. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? For every one person that you refer to our sales team, to our award-winning sales team, I'm going to, from my pocket, donate $100 in your name, right? So they don't have to buy or sell now, obviously, right? So all you need to do, put the referrals. Who do you know is planning to make a move? For every one person that you refer to our team, we're gonna donate $100 today. So to match that $4,000, we are short by 40 people, right? So we are looking for 40 people. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? So this is what we're gonna do. For you who send us the referrals, I'm gonna give you $1,000 gift cards. And for your friends that you refer to our team, I'm gonna give them another $1,000 gift card. Because we are up against time and we're really desperate because we need to get 40 people within the next couple of hours here. I'm gonna throw something else. Follow up, Kevin. Here, we're gonna throw some crazy bonus. Like, I'm going crazy now. We give $1,000 for you and your friends, so they're $2,000. And I'm gonna throw away some bottle of wine, one for you, for standing for every one person that you refer. You're gonna get a bottle of wine. And you're gonna receive $1,000, right? Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Let's see if there's something else we can give away. Kevin, let me know if there's somebody who's talking.
Okay.
What else? For the first 5 person, we're gonna give one more bottle of wine. How about that? 2 bottles of wine, and $1,000 for you, and $1,000 for the person that you refer. Okay. So let's talk about. We are busy. We have only a couple of hours. What time is it now?
3:39.
It's 4 o'clock. It's 3:39, and we're gonna close in the next couple of hours. This is Margaret here. We are busy calling everybody. We have a couple of hours. We are looking for 40 people. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? For every one person, I'm gonna I'm gonna donate $100 in your name. So this is last minute. This is crunch time. We are calling as many people as we can. Bottle of wine, $1,000. What else? Here, let me give something else. Cookies. The first 2 people, we're gonna give one more cookies box. The first one, we're gonna give this basket. Anything I can give you, I'm gonna give you. What else I can give you? Huh? Your book? You can have dinner with Mary. Fun. Dinner with Lex. Okay, here. Let's go dinner with Lex. How about that?
Yeah.
Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? The first person who refer is gonna have dinner with Lex. Do you wanna see Lex? Come on in here. Let me introduce Lex. Oops, it's locked.
Oh, Lex.
The door is locked. Okay, the door is locked. So next time. What else can we give away? Edward. This is Edward. We need $4,000. Oh, books. You're right. Books. Come on here. We need 40 people. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Who do you know? For the first one, we're gonna give away this one. This is the #1 international best-selling books that I co-author with Jack Canfield here. It's a great Christmas gift. Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Again, we are trying to raise $4,000 for the Children's Hospital. This year, we are on a mission to raise $25,000, but as of today, we are at $21,000. That means we are short $4,000. For every one person that you refer to our sales team today until midnight, I am going to donate $100 in your name. I'm going to donate $100 in your name. Again, we are not asking for donation from you. I just want to make sure everybody clear on this. We are not asking for donation. All we are asking is, who do you know who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, that you can refer to our award-winning sales team. For every one person, I'm gonna donate, me personally, gonna take $100, donate it in your name as a thank you for referring. So let's make this Christmas and New Year's as a season of giving, right? The more people that you refer to our sales team, you are making an impact. Not only you are helping your friends, your family and friends who's thinking of making a move, you are also touching the lives of kids over at the Children's Hospital. So I want to make sure we are okay with that. The best Christmas, the best New Year's present ever. Let's take a look here. Let's talk to Alex. Let's talk to Alex. Okay, this is Alex. Hey Alex, what are we working on here today?
I'm working on getting my clients showing so that they can not be homeless.
Hey, so, okay, good. Hey Alex, would you share a little bit about our mission here that we are short of, like $4,000 this year? Like, what are we doing this entire 2016? We've been working hard, selling homes, helping families buying and selling homes. For every homes that we help, we are actually donating. We are helping kids over at Children's Hospital.
Yeah.
Like, so you came to the tour last time, so the camera is right there, so it's easier. Like.
The camera's over here.
Yeah, and this is Alex, by the way, for those of you who don't know.
I didn't lock myself in the room. Hi. So for every closing, we actually donate part of our income towards the Children's Hospital. In order to encourage a sense of community as well, what we also do is for every referral, regardless of closing or not, what we have been doing is
Only for today now.
Today.
Because typically it has to close, right? But today, for every person that you refer, it doesn't have to close.
Yeah. So today, if you provide a list of someone who's apparently looking to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, Rudy and Rudy and the team is going to be donating $100.
$100 for each name.
For each name.
All we need is a legitimate name, no Mickey Mouse, right? It has to be a legitimate name with a verifiable phone numbers, because Margaret here, Margaret, say hi, Margaret. Margaret's going to call right away, right? And then, so we need to be able to, they need to be able to pick up the phone and say hello, right? Because if this is like Mickey Mouse, then, we cannot do that.
Sure. So every referral today, from now till
midnight. Let's make it till midnight.
Midnight. Next 8 hours.
I'm sorry, Alex. It cannot be midnight because Andy is the one who's doing the account. We need to send the money to Children's Hospital, so I guess we need to do it before.
I don't know. 6.
Can you ask what's the cutoff point here?
Overtime for
Yeah,
Andy?
we'll find out. Okay, we'll find out because this is not, the money doesn't go to us, right? This money go to Children's Hospital, so we need to make sure the platform is open.
Okay. Yeah. So today's the last day of the year. So to hit our goal, I guess we're being extra generous this time around, and closing or not,
You know what? I just realized. Till midnight, it's okay. You know why? Because tomorrow is still December 31st. Today is December 30th.
Yes.
Yeah. So tomorrow should be okay. So we'll have Andy come to office tomorrow. So at any time today till the end, till midnight.
Sure.
Right. So who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Let's talk a little bit about Children's Hospital. We went to a tour. You went to the tour last year, a couple of months ago, or last year, I forgot.
Last year.
Last year.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, let's talk a little bit about what is this Children's Hospital?
Our local Children's Hospital is Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, which is basically the hospital that kids go to when they don't have insurance or they don't have other means of taking care of themselves. So parents can go there, make sure their kids are taken care of. It's one of, I think, the biggest
This
trauma centers
hospital,
for
I think,
kids.
is ranked the number 1 or 2 in the nation. Maybe number 2, I think, in the nation. As far as for kids. I forgot. If you go to, just Google Children's Hospital Los Angeles. I forgot the real numbers.
Yeah, I mean, we've had several tours there now. We kind of know the staff. We have family members that work there. We have team members that...
Oh, Clarence's wife, I think.
Yeah,
She's
Clarence's wife, Clarence's sister-in-law, Kyle's sister-in-law
Yeah.
were at it. We've
And
had
who else?
people that had sent their kids